Are you struggling to manage your customer support operations very efficiently? Handling high calls volumes, tracking performance, and ensuring top notch customer experience can feel very overwhelming, right? What if there was a way to streamline all these tasks into one powerful platform? And there's one platform which is Talkdesk. This is what you can see over your screen, the ultimate cloud-based contact center solution designed to help customer support team deliver exceptional service. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through how to use Talkdesk to manage calls, track metrics, and optimize your customer support workflow. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Talkdesk, handle inbound and outbound calls, automate our workflows, and analyze performance, all from one intuitive dashboard. Now let's dive in. Before we get started, let's break down what makes Talkdesk stand out. According to their website, Talkdesk is a cloud-based contact centers platform designed to help businesses. And I have mentioned some of them. That is, first one is a manage calls, automate workflows, track metrics, integrate seamlessly. And I really like because it is a cloud-based and accessible from any device, AI powered. This is a time of AI and customizable workflows to match your team unique processes. By the way, you can pause the video and you can check this out, each and everything. To get started with Talkdesk, visit the Talkdesk website here. It's really easy. You have to just go to Google, search for Talkdesk here, right? And just go and click on this first link. That is his official link. And there, here, before going to the demo or before opening an account, make sure you just go to the pricing section because this is really important. And why it is? Because obviously price can change a lot of stuff here. Now it gives you a lot of plan, the first, second, third, fourth, and there's a fifth plan, right? And it's depending upon, you can pause the video or you can just visit the website and you can get to know that every plan has their own benefits. And as you can see here, this is the lowest one, that is a $225. This is for the financial service experience cloud for banking edition. This is an insurance edition, and this is for the providers editions, right? And this is for the cloud, and the last one is a government edition. So I don't think anybody need you know government edition here right now, but obviously, and here you can just choose this one. Now let's move further. Now on the right side, you can just go and click on watch a demo, because once you buy their planning, then only you will able to use it. The one thing which I really like about the Talkdesk that you can tailor the interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like call, queues, by adding performance charts and customer feedback, and there's a lot of things, right? And that is really good. Let me just go back here, and Talkdesk give you the demo where you can access each and everything. For example, let's say that I want to check out this omni-channel agent experience. So I can just go and click on it and I can able to see this, and obviously they will show me the exact tutorial. So here this is omni-channel, and as you can see here, this is how it's look when you're having a conversation, right? And the setup process is very intuitive even for beginners and ensure you are ready to hit the ground running. So this is whenever you're having an interaction, the Talkdesk will give you all this conversation here. For example, this is Bill Williams and I can talk to them, right? In addition to digital content, you can also be skilled to handle voice conversation as well as a voicemails that have been assigned to you. That is really nice. And if I just go to the voice here, right, I can accept the call, and as you can see here, this is how it's look. And here I can just go and for example, it's all obviously we have got this pre-built and customizable CRM, that is our Salesforce. And if I want to end a call, I can just end it from here. Now this is a Talkdesk quality management and performance management. Yeah, it says that it helps you to contact center managers, analyze agent performance, discover opportunities for improvement, and provide personalized coaching to address skill and knowledge gaps within powerful insights, right? That is really, and with that at a scale. Now, if I just show you here, you can see this is a coaching. This is official dashboard of Talkdesk here. And on the top right side corner, you can see there's an offline or online. You can set it from here. This is your profile icon. And on the left side, you will see a lot of options, right? So here you can see this is a dashboard, and your coaching and performance journey starts here. The supervisor home dashboard, it's your mission and control for your managing agent team, where you can quickly address operational hotspot and access snapshots of important data like current service level, agent status, and recent CSATs, result quality, and everything. You can do the evaluation, right? Now, this is evaluation results. So all these insights are fully actionable. So today, one of your agent has received an extremely low score, which you can see here, that is a 26%. And you can investigate the evaluation result in Talkdesk, right? Which is really nice. So if I just go and click on it, I can see this. So here I can check the exact activity, the exact conversation, and this quality management assist AI enable evaluation, which you can see here, form can be used to fully automate the quality management process and evaluate up to 100% of customer interaction with human intervention, which is really nice. And here you can see all these problems here. For example, this is a section 1 online store support and greeting and introduction, right? What was the answers and everything by the Tom Hertz, right? So you can check out the agent activity, and here this is a screen and audio recording can be reviewed in sync, which you can just play out and we can usually find it. And the AI help us to know. For example, you can see here, this is AI, this is reaction. Thanks for calling. BBike's the leader in European sustainability. So this was what was written in the audio. Now, if I just go here, next time think customer first and escalate this to your supervisor. So this is the AI supervision. So AI just assists me that what should be the right appropriate action should be taken here. And here you can see, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do. Next time I suggest you. So that's why there's a sad emoji, because Tom was not able to help that person, right? So this is really nice, and the quality management is pretty good. Now this one is a maximum productivity with predictive dialing, so you can just read it. And here goes explore interactive demos on how our AI powered. So they give you a help agent resolve issues quickly and correctly, speed up AI for Copilot, for customer self-service, and CX analytics. And there's a lot of things for the workflow management, right? And AI trainer too. Now you can also explore the other things, for example, retail experience cloud based. So you can just, before buying this up, you can check out each and everything, and you will get to know that why Talkdesk is best and suit your need or not. By the way, Talkdesk also excels in managing outbound calls, help team run efficient campaigns, and you can set up power dialers, right? So outbound tool not only save time but also ensure consistent message across your team. You can automate your workflows, as well as at the same time, it will save your time and ensure consistency across your customer support operation. So finally, a Talkdesk provides powerful analytic tool to help you to message performance and optimize strategies. For example, FCR, that is the first call resolution, average handle time, customer satisfaction rate, and promoter score. So use this insight to identify the bottleneck, recognize top performer, and refine your strategies. You can also export report in various format for presentations or audit. So, and there you have it, a complete guide. I hope you found this information really useful, and if you did, subscribe.